Hi guys, it's me, TechJig, and today we're diving into a beast of a kitchen appliance, the F3226-1.5RB-30B Gas 60-inch range with Griddle and Char Broiler. Now, if you're someone who loves cooking, whether it's breakfast pancakes, late-night burgers, or a full holiday feast, this is the kind of range that completely changes the game. And yes, if you want to check this out or grab one for your own kitchen, I've got a link in the description below, so definitely hit that. Let's start with the design because, honestly, the first thing that hits you when you see this range is just how massive and professional it looks. This isn't your standard home stove, this is a commercial-grade machine designed for people who take their cooking seriously. Measuring 60 inches wide, it commands presence in any kitchen. The finish is sleek, the controls are intuitive, and everything feels solid and built to last, which is something you really notice when you start using it. One of the standout features has to be the griddle. Now, a lot of ranges come with burners, but having a full-size griddle integrated into your range is a total game changer. Imagine waking up on a Sunday morning and just flipping pancakes for the whole family, or making bacon, eggs, and even grilled sandwiches all at once. The griddle heats evenly, retains heat really well, and cleans up much easier than a separate appliance would. For anyone who loves versatility, this feature alone is worth noting. Then, of course, we have the Char Broiler. This is where things get really exciting. The F3226-1.5RB-30B gives you that restaurant quality sear right at home. You're talking perfect grill marks, caramelized edges, and all of that smoky flavor without needing an outdoor setup. It's precise, it's powerful, and it gives you a level of control that you just don't get with a standard oven. Whether you're searing a steak, grilling vegetables, or even trying your hand at a charred pizza crust, this broiler does not disappoint. Now, speaking of burners, this range doesn't cut corners. You've got multiple burners across the top, each offering different heat intensities so you can do everything from a slow simmer to a full-on boil without having to worry about uneven cooking. The knobs are responsive, tactile, and give you instant feedback, which, honestly, makes cooking feel way more connected than just turning a dial and hoping for the best. The spacing between burners is also excellent, meaning you can use multiple pots and pans at once without feeling cramped. Moving on to the oven, because yes, a range this size is incomplete without a high-performance oven. The F3226-1.5RB-30B comes with a spacious oven cavity that ensures even cooking throughout. You're looking at excellent temperature consistency, thanks to advanced heat distribution, and a smart convection system that helps baked goods come out perfect every time. Big roasts? Check. Sheep cakes? Check. Multiple dishes at once? Absolutely. Cleaning is often an afterthought with large ranges, but this model keeps that in mind too. The grates are removable, the drip trays under the burners are easy to lift out, and the oven interior has surfaces designed for easier wipe-downs. Honestly, it's a huge time saver, especially if you're cooking multiple dishes in one go, which with this range, you definitely will be. From a safety perspective, the F3226-1.5RB-30B is well engineered. You've got flame